Yearn Finance DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Yearn Finance is a decentralized finance DeFi platform designed to simplify yield farming and optimize crypto asset returns. Launched in 2020, Yearn has become one of the most popular DeFi protocols, known for its automated yield optimization strategies. It's primarily aimed at users who want to maximize their passive income from crypto assets without needing to manually manage yield farming strategies. Through Yearn's various vaults, users can earn interest on their tokens by leveraging strategies that automatically adjust based on market conditions. It supports assets across Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and a few other networks, making it versatile for different types of crypto portfolios. When I first used Yearn Finance, I was impressed with how straightforward it was to start earning. After connecting my wallet, I simply chose the vaults for the tokens I wanted to invest in. The platform then automatically deposits those assets into high-yield strategies. This hands-off approach is one of Yearn's key selling points. It removes the need for users to constantly monitor their investments or manually adjust strategies. Vaults are created by the Yearn community and are continuously updated to ensure the best possible yields. Another standout feature is Yearn's governance token, YFI, which allows users to vote on protocol changes and improvements. This gives the community a say in the platform's direction, enhancing its decentralization and transparency. Security is another important aspect. Yearn has undergone numerous audits to ensure the safety of users' funds, though, like any DeFi platform, there's always some risk involved. The user interface is clean and intuitive, with all relevant information about available vaults and their APYs clearly presented. However, navigating the platform might be overwhelming for beginners due to the advanced features and concepts like yield optimization and vault strategies. But once you get the hang of it, it's a highly effective way to grow your crypto holdings. In terms of performance, Yearn Finance has proven reliable over time, consistently providing good returns without requiring much involvement from the user. The platform is made for users who want to maximize yield without the complexity of active management. For those familiar with DeFi, Yearn Finance is a top-tier tool to optimize your investments. In conclusion, if you're looking for a seamless and automated way to grow your crypto assets while minimizing the time spent managing them, Yearn Finance is an excellent choice. It's well-suited for both seasoned DeFi users and those looking for a simple, efficient way to earn passive income.